Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to reheat leftover pizza. We've all been there where you reheat your pizza in the microwave and it turns out to have a dry crust. Dry pizza crust, not my cup of tea. The ideal pizza after reheating should be nice, soft and fluffy, you know. Place your pizza slices on a microwavable plate. Add half cup of water. Place it on the plate. This is what will ensure that the pizza retains its soft, fluffy crust. I set my microwave on medium-high to around 3 to 4 minutes. Checking whether it's doing okay, and I can see that the cheese has started to melt, so I'll just wait until the 4 minutes are over. Finally, my pizza is warm, and as you can see, the cheese and the crust, they are soft, nice and fluffy. The cheese has melted, and this is it. And I'm gonna have it with my favorite drink. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Cheers.